my channel of Salsti Today. Today we are going to see an interesting tip all about the free worksheets. So there is an interesting link which you can go and check it out for the free worksheets. During the lockdown period, I think these worksheets will be really helpful for you guys to download. It's everything free. First I will show you one of the worksheet which I have downloaded. This is a workbook. You can see this is a unicorn workbook, and you have a table, and these are the other sets of worksheets. See, there will be like n number of worksheets only for the theme of unicorn. This is just one theme. There are also some interesting games. If you can see, there is an interesting game called there is a mask game. You can just use this cutout. Everything I have taken here is the printout of black and white. I do not have color prints. You can ask your kids to color it, or you can color it and give it to them to make it so colorful. So you can use this mask, you can cut it out the mask, and you can just cut it out in the eyes and give it to the kids. They'll really enjoy it. And this is one more thing, and you can see another mask picture here. This is really interesting, and my daughter is having one of Peppa Pig, her favorite character. There was a recipe for Peppa Pig. You can see some recipes for the kids. It's Granny Piggy's Fruity Orange Cupcakes. So you can see the recipe for the kids. It's really good. So there are like thousands and thousands of worksheets available. Wait till the end of the video to see the link which I have downloaded. Currently it's going on in an offer, so you can download it basis the offer code, which I'll just show you how to take the offer code. And you can, if you are having the color printouts, it's very well interesting for the kids to see it so colorful. No problem, even if it is like black and white, you can just print it out, or else you can just see them and draw it also if you do not have the facility of printing out. And there is one more game which was really good. So this is like they are given a Peppa Pig game. So this is like a dice, you have to make it. If you have the dice, it's okay, fine. If there is a dice, you can stick it on the cardboard, and you can just make it as a dice. And this is the game for that. It is a board game, so it's really good for the kids. You can play with your kid and it will be interesting. It's a 2-player game, 4-player game. There are like n number of games available in that link. You can just check it out. Even if you want to see with the other languages also, you can see it out. You can see it's really like they have other languages like Hindi and other languages given with the pictures, and you can teach them what is all available as a part of Hindi. So I think this worksheet will be really helpful for you guys to see how effectively you can ask your kids to do it. So let's get into the video link and see how to activate it.
First step, you can log into any browser and type the link provided here. Now type this link onto the browser and start registering your ID. Now you have to use the offer code onto this and then sign up and subscribe. Now your account is subscribed into the Twinkl website. You can just see this video completely to understand what all the options which we have. So once you click on any activity or any worksheet, you can see the worksheets here as a PDF form, or else you can save it in Google Drive. And once you save it, you can take the printout. There are nearly many options from pre-primary to class 1, 2 till the level of class 7. It's available. There are worksheets like for stories, mathematics, science, art, and there are like n number of games, puzzles. Just observe this video and you can see I have given many options. I just downloaded one game, and that is for something related to mathematics. You can use these flashcards and you can see the Hindi pictures here, Hindi alphabets. Also, you can check out a parents tab where you can see many games, activities, or whatever is required as per your requirement. It's available. You can download and you can take printouts or you can draw it from that. It's really very nice for your kids. You can see some stories and everything available here. So you can just extract and you can just see what all the steps they have given, everything step by step, very attractive colors for the kids. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please do subscribe.